They have sent it back to Home Ministry, the competent authority. So the case will go there, and it has to be the whole argument. So we knew that, and this is going to happen, and finally it is there. Like the order, which is what happened. They said I have a citizenship of Portugal, which is false. But the page, one page of document they have got it somewhere on the internet, and that was on the year 2010. So 2010, they knew that my position that I am going to be contesting election on 2012. So somebody played a game, because I was born in 1959, and whoever born in Goa 1959, their birth is already registered in over there. So whatever is happening over here, it's called not transcribed. So whoever it is there before 61, and anybody can put a letter and say, okay, I wanted to activating a thing. That's what happened. So they don't have any documents, and somehow they have passed this order through the ministers, and there is a lot of documents inside. Just one passport I'm holding from 1976 till today. I was working in a Gulf country, and I came in 2012 December. So a renewal of my passport, because there was no pages, and I wanted to take a tour. I made a vow when I was in election that I will visit Mother Fatima. So I took a passport, new passport, it's a renewal. Then I took visa from Portugal consul. If I am a citizen of that country, why the Indian government have given me a passport? Forget about a passport. Okay, I use the influence. What about the Portugal government? They had given me a visa. If I am their citizen, I don't require a visa.
Political scenario has changed since then. Do you think that in present scenario the competent authority will take?
I don't know. I don't know. I have in the political side, I have no faith on a single person. Okay, this is I'll tell you, they do anything.